Mastering the active voice, a key to powerful communication. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our series on mastering English grammar. In our last session, we covered the basics of converting passive voice into active voice. Now, it's time to focus on your practice exercises and how you can improve. Remember, active voice makes your sentences clearer and more direct, making your communication stronger. When converting passive to active voice, the most common mistakes come from misunderstanding the sentence's structure. Here's a brief reminder. In the active voice, the sentence structure is subject, verb, object. In the passive voice, the structure changes to object of the active sentence, be verb, past participle, by subject of the active sentence. Let's look at some common mistakes and their corrections. 1. Incorrect verb form usage. Incorrect. The trophy was won by the team. Correct. The team won the trophy. Always ensure that you are using the correct verb tense when converting passive to active voice. 2. Missing subject. Incorrect. Was taken to the hospital by. Correct. Someone took him to the hospital. Always identify and include the subject when converting to active voice. 3. Misplacement of subject and object. Incorrect. The ball was thrown by the dog. Correct. The dog threw the ball. Ensure the subject of your sentence is performing the action, verb, not receiving it. Here are some general tips to improve your active voice usage. 1. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the better you'll get at identifying passive sentences and transforming them into active ones. 2. Read and listen. Read books and listen to English speakers. You will see and hear many sentences in the active voice, helping you understand its usage. 3. Make mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are an essential part of learning. Just ensure to learn from them. It's always essential to assess your progress and review your work. Self-assessment is a powerful tool for learning. After you've converted sentences from passive to active, review your work. Check if the subject is performing the action, and if the verb tenses are correct. And that's a wrap on our lesson for today. Converting from passive to active voice is a key skill in mastering English, and with practice, you can perfect it. Remember, practice is the key, and don't be afraid of making mistakes. You're doing great, and we're proud of your progress. Keep practicing and happy learning. Remember, knowledge is power. Practice is progress.